Okay, so I didn't think of making a video now, so I'm into the thick of it. What happened was, again with the Defy auto dryer DTD252, what happened was it was making a hell of a noise, and you can hear the noise was coming from the front while it was turning, and you can hear it was a scraping noise. What I saw was the drum runs on this, on the doors, little protrusion here, and there is supposed to be these bearing strips on the inside of the drum, here on the inside, so the metal doesn't touch the metal, and that's been completely worn out. That's why it was making the noise. So I went ahead and I got some strips. I'm going to put it on now. Let me just quickly tell you what I did. First I removed the cover, obviously. The cover that comes on here. The screws on the side. And on the side there's one on the top. And there's 3 at the bottom as well. Then these brackets was on like this. Now, was on the inside. Yes, was on the inside like that. And on them was this back panel and also this strut. So I removed the strut, then I removed the brackets on the side, then I removed this one. I plugged out all these pluggies again, just marked them 1, 2, 3, 4. I know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so I know where to put them back again. On the inside of this is where the element is that heats up the dryer, and that's basically it. Once I've done that, I removed this belt, and then the drum came out completely because it just slides over the front part there. So now all that I'm left to do is I'm going to use a Dremel and just clean out the inside of this ring a little bit. Then I'm going to put in these strips. Yeah, I almost forgot to tell you, there's a bolt also that comes from the inside of the drum, there at the bottom. This bolt goes in here, goes straight through, and it comes out on this side from the inside with this nut and washer that also needs to be removed, so you can remove the drum from this back panel. There you go. All the strips are in place. There's 4 strips in total that comes onto one drum. So now I'm just going to put the drum back in its place. I've got my piece of train track. I'm going to put underneath just to keep it up. Then the next step will be to put this bolt through the drum to the back of this cover, and then I'm going to fasten the brackets, but I'll show you before I put the brackets on. Okay, the drum is in and the brackets are on. What I found now is you need to just check the tension on this nut here at the back. If it's too tight, this doesn't turn easily. So let's make it a little bit more loose. Let's see it. I think that's about it. So maybe just 1/4 turn tighter. Okay, this little connection here bent a bit, so just bend it back. All it does is you can see the earth is connected to this back cover, and because there's nylon on the front, those nylon strips that we put in, there's no connection with the drum for the earth, so the drum isn't earthed. That is why this little connection is here, to take the earth from the back cover here to the drum, so that all the electrical parts are earthed. Remember, before you put the drum on, you must somewhat put the belt on so long, so that you don't put the old drum in and put the brackets on, and you've got the belt. Okay, next what we're going to do, we're going to put this strut across this here, the support. Then we're going to connect up these again. So here we are done. The brackets are fastened and this support strut is in, and we put our belt back onto the motor. So all that is left to do is now to close this cover. Okay, we're done. Cover is back on, everything's in. Let's check how she runs. Quiet. You can only see the breeze. Thanks for watching.